Six Two Bumble Boy aka Mshega, and you're tuned into Bumble Boy _ FL Studio channel. Today, guys, as I'm not gonna say much, I'm just gonna show you how did I mix these beautiful vocals. Let's get into it. Right, so simple, guys. And this video will not be beginner friendly unless you just watch it for future knowledge, and you just follow along, right? Because of this is not the mix I showed you from the first video I dropped, so hence I'm saying beginners will not understand me there and there, but they can follow along, right? So the first thing I did, of course, is tuning, guys. Tuning the vocals. Just only play this. As you can see, he's stretching his notes, so I had to put my flex tone on 50 to control those notes that goes out of the D key, Otherwise, for you to find the correct key and the scaler for a specific song you're working on in FL Studio, I dropped the video. The video I dropped before this one. Yeah, please go check it out. And I think I left to for me to avoid this video to be long, I left to record a separate video for audio too. So bear with me, please. And then, yeah, secondly, we went for the EQ. As you did here, where I turned on my EQ, nothing much happened. Only the low ends. There was this airy sound here, so I had to cut the low ends because of this vocal or this specific audio doesn't have the low ends. So yeah, that's pretty much. For the third slot, I decided to compress it. Right, as you can hear, everything just went up because of, you can see my gain. You can see my gain knob is all the way up there, but nonetheless didn't compress it that much. As you can see, yes, my threshold is here, but you can see how it's laid out, right? Then my ratio is still up there because of I wanted to add another compressor. I didn't want to over compress or overload my first compressor. I knew hence my mixing chain goes, I'll add another compression. And compress is not hard, guys. So I think I left it to record a specific video for it, but compression is not hard, guys. Actually, mixing as a whole is not hard, but I won't lie, it's not simple. You have to know what are you doing. You have to just include things that your vocal requires. You won't just throw anything because of you saw your favorite producer throwing a specific thing on a vocal. No, you just have to know why do you select a specific effect, right? Of course, after me tuning, EQing and compressing, yes, I agree, this vocal doesn't have a sharp or a piercing sibling sound, but I just had to compress it, hence I used a lesser effect to compress this vocal. As you can see around here, and I created this envelope also, just to control those sibling sounds, hence I'm saying it's not much, but yeah, they are there.
Oh, shall I go to hell? Oh, there's a pillow.
Let me turn it off.
Oh, shall I go to hell?
Like I said, the sibling sound is not too much. So yes, the fifth place, I went on and include another EQing. Why is that? Because of I wanted to control the peaks. I cut and boost certain frequencies. As you can see, it's not much. So yeah, guys, if you want to understand how to use EQ, I've made a specific video only for EQ. It's not hard also, but you just have to know what are you doing with it, because of you can mess up your vocals, trust me.
Oh, shall I go to hell?
Now you can hear
Oh, there's
the breathing sounds and sibling sounds are more up there because of I've boosted them here.
Oh, shall I go to hell? Oh, there's a pillow.
And I went on and like I said, I compressed the vocal much harder, even though I wasn't aggressive on it, because of I couldn't go aggressive because of I had just click enter there, it will max out, it will minimize itself if you do that mistake. So yeah, and then
oh, shall I go to hell?
Situation.
Oh,
be careful with good answer, guys. You cannot put it up here.
Oh, shall I go to hell?
Of course, the microphone you're gonna be using to record, like I did here, it's a condenser microphone, so it will pick up the nuances. So your sound good answer, it must not look like this, guys. So hence, if you wanna maybe boost too much on a vocal that is sounding low, at least these areas, at least, guys. But for this one, I just said to just make a subtle boost.
Oh, shall I go to hell?
Let's bypass it.
Oh, there's a pillow.
I guess, guys, you're using your ears, right? So I just decided to go for what's this? Let me switch everything on. I had, of course, my mixing is done right here. So for you to add those spices, those extras, which is delay and reverb, because I had my initial vocal has its own delay, reverb from my room, because of my studio is not treated, so I had to include a delay and a reverb to cover up, and this is how it went.
Oh, shall I go to hell? Oh, there's a pillow.
And of course, you can pause the video and screenshot the settings I did here. But if you're struggling, is no pressure, guys. I will do a specific video about delay. Hopefully, it won't be long, because of it's not hard. But if you know, you have to know what they represent, what they do to your vocal, And then I went and put on a reverb. Also, I think I will do a specific video for this one. I just don't want this specific video I'm doing now to be long, guys, so yeah, bear with me.
Oh, shall I go to hell? Oh, there's a pillow.
Nothing.
Oh,
not reverb. So for the for the backup, I just thought to then play it alone. The first thing I did before anything was for me to put on a stereo delay, right? I'll share that trick in another video. This one is not the video for that, so I just put on a reverb, guys, because of it sounding dry. and it's just a backup, you know. It's just, as you can see, my velocity here, it's not that up, because if it's a backup, guys, it has to go in the background, but it has to still, you know, appear on the beat. So yeah, this is how it went. Yep. Yes, guys, so all in all, this is how it sounds, right? And for the breathers, guys, unfortunately we have to remove them because of my condenser did pick them up. So okay, here Edison was able to remove them because they wasn't that loud, but because of, you can see this one, guys, it's a bit louder nyana, so hence it appeared, right? So hey, you just have to cut it off, guys.
Oh, shall I go to LS? Oh, shall I go to LS? Oh, there's a pillow yaka go. Oh, there's a pillow yaka go. And they go with it.
Oh, that was big. That was big, man. Damn it. Right. The delay, man. Damn. Yeah, guys, yeah, for you to accomplish this sound, okay, you of course have to, you know, pan the other one and go ahead and go pan the other one, just for you to, you know, find that stereo, because of already I had panned the ad libs, right? So I had to make sure I also pen my ad libs.
C'est l'amour, c'est l'amour, c'est l'amour, c'est l'amour, c'est l'amour, c'est l'amour. C'est l'amour, c'est l'amour, c'est l'amour.
Alright guys, that's how I did mix this song. So yeah guys, please subscribe to the channel for more, of course, and turn the notification bell so you get notified once I upload a new video, guys. So you, yeah, please like this video and share the video, guys. Share the video, guys, to your friends, family, any fellow producer you know that this video might be helpful to them. So yeah guys, it's me, Bumble Boy, aka Shiga. Yeah man, peace out.
C'est l'amour, c'est l'amour, c'est l'amour.